I'll make them wildly obsessed with you. Watch this. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. I know many of you have tried books, audio programs, video programs, seminars, all in an attempt to get your specific person back, to get the relationship that you desire with your specific person. I'd like you to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Let's talk and find out what a mentoring program can do for your life. I'm talking about the relationship that you deserve and the relationship that you desire. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. High flyers, I'm going to make them wildly obsessed with you. They're going to become obsessed, not in a negative way. They're not going to be driving by your house late at night. They're not going to be stalking you, but they're going to be thinking about you, wondering about you, fantasizing about you, visualizing you. You see what I'm saying? They're going to want to have more to do with you. They're going to want to spend more time with you and enjoy your company more. They're going to want to fall deeper in love with you, and you fall deeper in love with them. Now, for this meditation, I'm going to ask you to think about the Empress card, and I'll be flashing it on the screen from time to time. The Empress card represents the energy of Venus, and Venus is the energy of passion, of magnetism. It's the energy that literally pulls two people together when they feel this unstoppable magnetic force. So as you meditate on the Empress, I'm going to be doing work for you. And as I do this work for you, it's important to understand that you may have counter intentions or negative thoughts or limiting beliefs when it comes to your relationship. I don't. I know that if you truly loved once and loved deeply, you can love again deeper, stronger, with more passion, more joy than ever before. And if you've never been together with this person, but you kind of hope to draw them to you, this is the perfect symbol to meditate on. Remember, I use the tarot not as a fortune-telling device, but as a gateway to different levels of consciousness. Let's begin. Just relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And you'll see pretty pictures. You can look at the pictures, look at the video, listen to the sound of my voice, look at the tarot card when it comes up, and just meditate. Meditate on the words that I am saying, because I am now in the process of sending energy, vibration, intention into your life to change your reality. Are you ready to receive? I know that you are. Let's begin. Your energy draws them in, draws them closer to you without effort. Like gravity, they literally cannot escape. It's not that they can't escape. They don't want to escape. They deeply desire to be closer to you. You don't chase, you attract. And they feel that shift deeply within you, that deep shift. Your present lingers in their mind long after you've gone. Once you leave, you're still in their mind. They can't stop thinking about you. Can you feel the shift? I know that you can. They crave your attention because it feels rare and intoxicating. Your softness holds power. It disarms them without force. Without force. Without force. You radiate a natural magnetism that makes them want to come closer to you. I feel them coming closer, closer to you. Being around you feels comforting, but it also feels kind of addictive. They feel seen. They feel nurtured and desired all at once in your energy. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. The more you embody your own worth, the more they become focused and obsessed with you. Now relax and allow them to come to you. Allow them to reach out to you. Allow them to open up to you. Receive it and accept it because it's yours. I am now focusing, even after this video stops, I will be focusing for several minutes on drawing them closer to you, bringing them to you, bringing the two of you together in loving harmony, in passion, in magnetism, in joy. You have a great day because you deserve it. I'll see you next time.